To enable us to know which notes we're required to play on a stave, we use a symbol called a clef. The most commonly used clefs are the treble clef and the bass clef. The treble clef is sometimes called the G clef because it sits on the G line. Here are the notes in the treble clef stave, and you can see the clef is sitting on the G line. We can also see here middle C is sitting on a ledger line just below the treble clef stave. So which instruments use the treble clef? High-pitched instruments such as recorder, flute, violin, trumpet, oboe, saxophone, clarinet and guitar all use the treble clef. The bass clef, shown here, is usually used to play notes lower than middle C. It's sometimes called the F clef as it sits on the F note line in the bass stave. Here are the notes on the line of the bass stave, and you can see the bass clef sitting on the F line, and here's middle C on a ledger line above the stave. Instruments that use the bass clef are bass guitar, double bass, bassoon, trombone, tuba and cello. The treble clef and bass clef are often seen together, particularly in piano music, for example. And here's middle C sitting between them. Notes higher than middle C usually appear in the treble clef, and notes lower than middle C appear in the bass clef. We're going to look at the alto and tenor clefs in a separate video. Thanks for watching, and do look out for future videos.